Hello students, let us continue chapter number 3, Movement Towards a New World. So today we are going to discuss the remaining causes of the Second World War. Now the fifth one, Treaty of Versailles. Germany was held for the First World War and so it was forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles at the end of the First World War. Germany was asked to pay 6.5 billion pound as war fine. Its Ruhr province was taken away and it was forced to open the region of Rhine River for international sea route. This treaty was unfair and humiliating and Germany was forced to sign it. Hence, when German dictator Adolf Hitler came to power, he called the Treaty of Versailles a piece of paper and rejected it. Now, the sixth one, imperialistic ambition of Adolf Hitler. Hitler laid the foundation of the Second World War. He had a fierce nationalist and militarist nature. That's why he wished the unity, stability, and prosperity of Germany at any cost. The first victim of his imperialism was Austria. You can underline this sentence. It can come in exam for 1 mark. Along with German army, he entered Austria on 12th March 1938. On the very next day of the Munich Convention, Germany had captured Czechoslovakia on 1st October 1938. After that, he had captured the mammal port of Lithuania in March 1939. You can underline this sentence. It can also come in exam for 1 mark. Thus, a grand German nation was created by Hitler. His imperialist policy was the main cause of the Second World War. Now, the seventh one is German attack on Poland, an immediate cause. The above mentioned causes had made the whole world to sit on a heap of ammunitions. A small spark could blow up the whole world, and this spark was German attack on the peaceful Poland on September 1st, 1939 early morning. You can underline this sentence. It can come in exam for 1 mark. Thus, World War II had begun. Britain and France warned Germany to stop the war immediately, but Germany ignored the warning. Hence, Britain and France plugged into this war. Consequently, the war spread in the entire world. Now the next topic is World War II, an outline and effects. As soon as World War II started, the world, just like the First World War, again got divided in groups. The group of Allied nations was led by England and France. On the other side, the group of Axis nations consisted of Germany, Italy, and Japan. Also, some other elements with war in their mind jumped into the war. Japan attacked the American Navy at Pearl Harbor. So, American, which was a neutral country, joined the Allied nations to fight against Japan. America's joining made the group of allied nations more strong. To stop Japan from marching more towards war, America dropped atom bombs on the two important Japanese cities named Hiroshima and Nagasaki. As a result, 1,24,000 Japanese lost their lives. Student, you can underline this sentence. It can come for 1 mark in exam. Japan was completely destroyed with these attacks. Finally, Japan surrendered on 11th August 1945 and the World War II came to an end. Now, in my next video, I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.